Welcome back to part 2, how to make your laundry soap, how to pour it and store it. Hopefully it saves you time and a few dimes. So here we go. I keep all my laundry soap containers and I fill them up with the laundry soap that I make. That includes my fabric softeners and my distilled vinegar containers. And I use a funnel, a ladle, and a 2-cup glass measuring cup because it's easier to clean. And I do it in the tub because guess what? It cleans the tub as well. So after I fill them up, there's going to be a little suds. I rinse it off, I let them dry, and then I store away, but I keep track of the volume and how many loads each container contains. That way I know if I'm getting low to make more or hold off for a later date. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.